This video, I will share with you how to start accessing a page using QR code in Hostinger Website Builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites and select Websites list. Click on this Edit button or Edit Website button next to your website. If you have a long list of websites here and you want an easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger Builder, just look to this little icon next to each website. The first two websites are WordPress websites and the third one is built using Hostinger Builder. Click on Edit Website, and let's say I want to start accessing the blog page using a QR code. This is useful for restaurant websites. For example, you can do this tutorial on your restaurant pricing page. For example, create a pricing page and go to pages and navigation. And let's say this is your pricing page or the page that you want to create a QR code for. Click on this little wheel and select Create QR Code. QR codes let you open links instantly by scanning with your phone camera. You can edit the background color. For example, let's go with this yellow color. You can also edit the pattern color. You can use these two options or color options to brand your QR code with your brand colors. You can link to your blog or other pages on your website. In my case, I will go with my blog. And here you can select the QR code photo format. I will go with PNG and hit download. Now close this window first and don't forget to update your website. And now I will try to scan the QR code using my phone. This is the QR code application on my smartphone, and I will quickly, and when I scanned the code, I will hit open. And this is the blog page on this website. And this is how to start accessing a page using a QR code in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.